वेलकम एवरीबॉडी। क्या आप अपनी लाइफ में फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन को लेकर के चिंतित हैं? आज एक ऐसी टेक्निक सीखते हैं जिससे कि आप अपनी लाइफ के सारे फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स को इजीली सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। आज मैं आपको एक गाइडेड मेडिटेशन करवाता हूँ जिसमें मनी को लेकर के आपके जितने भी थॉट प्रोसेस हैं वो पूरी तरह से चेंज हो जाएंगे। बिकॉज मनी इज एनर्जी जो कि आपकी लाइफ में तब फ्लो होती है जब आप उस आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस और आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ में मैच करती है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आई होप इट इज विजिबल टू यू। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्लोज योर आइज। क्लोज योर आइज। See yourself in a field. There is a money tree and abundance is surrounded by yourself. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Inhale deeply 5 times and exhale fully. Inhale, exhale, inhale again, exhale. One last time. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. Now visualize you are a broad minded person. You have wealth in abundance. You are having everything that you require. You have more than enough passive income to pay for your desired lifestyle. You are donating millions of rupees for good causes. You are praying that whatever you are donating should prosper the person to whom you are donating. You have a big heart. Whatever you are donating, you are getting many more times because whatever you do, it comes back to you by being multifolded. It's a eternal truth. Keep on inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Keep on saying to money four different and lovable lines. I am sorry for whatever of my thoughts were in the past about you. I am sorry for whatever my thinking pattern for about you. Now I know that you are an energy and I am welcoming you into my life. I am a generous giver and an excellent receiver. I am open and willing to receive massive amounts of money into my life. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Keep on inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. I love you, money. I know that when we want to live in this world, we need you and I respect you. I know you are an energy and you are in abundance in this universe. Thank you so much for coming into my life. I am really grateful to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can do this before sleeping and after waking up and see the results and comment in the comment box whatever you get as a result. Thank you so much.